Aving our rivers. Effective waste management and recycling systems. The global waste crisis. A threat to our rivers. 80% of global wastewater is discharged untreated into waterways. Rivers carry 90% of plastic waste into oceans. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is now 1.6 million square kilometers. UN estimates 13 million metric tons of plastic leak into the ocean yearly. 1.5 million marine animals die each year from plastic entanglement. Integrated waste management systems, a multi-pronged approach. Waste reduction. Minimizing waste at the source through design changes and conscious consumption. Recycling, processing waste materials into new products. Composting, decomposing organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. Waste to energy, converting non-recyclable waste into electricity or heat. Landfilling, safely disposing of waste in engineered landfills with leachate collection systems. Waste diversion programs can reduce landfill waste by 35%. Advanced recycling technologies, innovative solutions. Chemical recycling, breaking down plastics into their original molecules for reuse. Pyrolysis, heating waste in the absence of oxygen to produce fuel and other valuable products. Gasification, converting waste into syngas, a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Mechanical recycling, shredding and melting plastics for reuse. AI-powered sorting systems increase recycling efficiency by 40%. Chemical recycling could handle 30% of plastic waste by 2030. Policy and regulation, setting the framework for change. Extended producer responsibility, EPR, holding manufacturers responsible for the end-of-life management of their products. Deposit refund systems, DRS, incentivizing consumers to return used beverage containers for a refund. Landfill taxes, discouraging landfilling and promoting recycling and waste reduction. Bans on single-use plastics, reducing the amount of plastic waste generated. Strict enforcement of environmental regulations reduces illegal dumping by 60%. Community engagement and education. Driving behavioral change. Public awareness campaigns, educating the public about the importance of waste management and recycling. Community cleanup events, engaging local residents in cleaning up rivers and neighborhoods. School programs, teaching children about waste reduction, recycling, and environmental stewardship. Citizen science initiatives, involving citizens in monitoring water quality and identifying pollution sources. Community-based recycling programs increase participation rates by 50%. Economic incentives, making waste management profitable. Tax credits for recycling businesses, encouraging investment in recycling infrastructure. Subsidies for waste-to-energy projects, supporting the development of renewable energy sources. Pay-as-you-throw, PAYT, programs, charging residents for the amount of waste they generate, incentivizing waste reduction and recycling. Carbon credits for landfill gas capture, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and generating revenue for landfill operators. Recycling industries generate $6.7 billion in wages. Case studies, success stories from around the world. Curitiba, Brazil, implemented an integrated waste management system that achieves a 70% recycling rate. Germany achieved a 65% recycling rate through its Green Dot program. Singapore uses incineration to generate electricity and reduce landfill waste by 90%. The Great Bubble Barrier, Amsterdam-based project, removes 86% of river plastics. San Francisco, zero waste goal by 2020, 80% diversion rate. A call to action, protecting our rivers for future generations. Individual actions, reduce, reuse, recycle, and properly dispose of waste. Collective action. Support policies and initiatives that promote sustainable waste management. Corporate responsibility. Invest in innovative recycling technologies and sustainable product design. By 2050, oceans will contain more plastic than fish, by weight. Every action counts towards a cleaner, healthier future for our rivers and planet.
Management of waste material.